Back in West Virginia, Bootleg Distillery. Let's try this one. Found my place to park for the night, and the place at noon just opened. Well, let's head into Bootleg Distilleries. Looking forward to this one. Thanks for having me here today. I'm going to have a great overnight with you, but tell me what you're serving me right now.
I am serving you our 4G bourbon. It is a 3-year-old bourbon, 86 proof, made of wheat, rye, barley, and corn, and has a very flavorful taste to it.
Brad, you've always lived in West Virginia?
Yes, sir, all my life, 63 years.
Oh, let me try this one. I'm glad I'm staying here tonight. Oh, wow.
Really good with ginger ale, a touch of lime. We call that bootleg bug juice.
Bootleg bug juice?
And it will knock you on your butt after a few
Well,
minutes.
I tell you, after a number of these is going to knock me in my butt. Okay. That was great. So I'm definitely picking up that pack over. That's great.
When you're ready. Next, we're going to give you our bootleg backwoods whiskey. We call it that because it was definitely made in the backwoods of West Virginia. This is made with wheat, rye, and corn. And we proofed it out at 80, 86, and 90 proof. And our customers voted for the 90 proof. So that's what we bottled it at. It is a 2.5-year-old whiskey.
Oh, that's so good.
Oh, thank you.
No, that's so good. Oh, Brad, that's it. Okay, that's my limit. I know better, but you've done a great job, right? So,
I think everything had a really good flavor profile. I really enjoyed the corn whiskey. I mean the moonshine for me. It was very smooth, and I liked the other ones that you had. Like these are
the rums.
Yeah, the rums, the
flavored
mixers were
rums.
really good.
Yeah.
Especially now with the summer, they're very, you have a lot of variety. And
Smoked bourbon into the cigars, and so they smell really good. And then he has his bourbon glass. He loves this, so you put your cigar right there.
I know, I saw
And
that.
then you have, yeah.
so infused. What's the brand of cigars you normally use?
He has a list of the cigars right here that he
Okay.
has, and then he keeps them in here with this bourbon. He starts them up, and then when they're ready, he keeps that bourbon in here with them, so they'll continue. If you want to smell one of them, I've been selling a lot of cigars. See if you can smell that. Oh yeah. The minis, we have the bottles, we do our labeling down here. We still pay all that in when we first started. We do everything here. Yeah. And
How
then
long does the alcohol like last? Is there like a shelf?
this will last forever.
Last forever.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's all about the proof.
Okay.
So like a lot of, some wines, and it depends.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll go bad, but, yeah. But no, his stuff, so you don't have any in the refrigerator, you can do whatever you want. Some in the freezer, they don't freeze, some refrigerate. I don't, I leave it on my counter. I always have a bottle of water.
Okay.
So then here we have our barrels. So when you're making bourbon, it has to be in a brand new oak barrel.
do you charge, is the barrel charged?
Yes, and so once you use that barrel, you can reuse it, but you can't call it bourbon. So that's what the backwoods whiskey we have. So you didn't get to taste. He has a smoked bourbon.
That's what he was talking about.
Okay, so we use that smoked bourbon barrel and put the whiskey in it. So
Okay.
now we have, so that's when he made the backwoods whiskey. So it has that touch. So all that flavoring was just from the barrel. That's strictly from the barrel. The color, the flavor, all from the barrel.
And it was,
Very similar, but very
yeah,
distinct
very
difference.
distinct difference, yeah. So,
Made
I mean,
rum.
it's
So gonna pour some in here, and if you would like, take a sip. You can drink it all, or if you want me to put a little splash of some lemonade or Sprite in there, so you can see how well they mix. They're just
And this is
they just
bourbon.
blend easy. No, this is a rum, a strawberry lemonade rum. I'm gonna start you with our rums, and then we'll get to bourbons and whiskeys.
Okay.
Okay, and apple pie
I think they
moonshine.
got two of those. One is with rum.
Wow.
One is with, I like the.
Is that a good wow? These are 65 proof. They're rums. All right. I'll let you do that. Okay, and I'll go ahead while you do that and see.
Yeah.
What did you guys?
I think we're gonna take one of the
Sweet thin.
Oh, it's fine. I can catch it. But this is the apple pie.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, I'll try
So,
I'll try the
we have
I'll
here.
try the apple pie. Wow. Wow, that's a different taste.
A lot of people put cinnamon in their apple pie.
Yeah.
Ours is straight apple, and we have our cinnamon rum, so you can put a little splash of that cinnamon in there if you like that. Real moonshine, our corn whiskey, comes right out of the still. This is what moonshine was before people were diluting it and flavoring it.
Oh, let me try this one then.
So-
Okay, and how many proof is it?
95 proof.
95 proof.
Yes.
Mm.
So that's just corn flavor.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, I better take a break. Canadians.
Canadians rock. We wish we were more like you.
Hey, Canadians rock.
down.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna rock with you as soon as I do my tasting too. Oh, some final thoughts. Great place I found in West Virginia. Just a final note on the Bootlegger Distillery. Brian and his wife have been very helpful. Passing great servings. You know, they're only open 4 days a week here. And no, it's been all good. I am so hot. Today is oh, I'm going to use 90 degrees or probably about 33 Celsius. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video on the Moonshine. It's been great. I love this place.